Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Motorola Moto G30. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and then click install. Now you can click open. And here you have to click on agree and continue. And now you can close this ad. And here click consent and then click on this button and click OK. Now you can close this ad. And as you can see, now I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.